This is Lesson 21 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. In this lesson, we introduce the electronic police siren circuit. It is an electronic circuit that produces sounds similar to a real police siren. With a push-button switch, you make the tone go up and down. When you press the switch, the tone gradually increases in pitch. And when you release the switch, the tone gradually decreases in pitch. The schematic diagram for the electronic police siren circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. You may remember from Lesson 11 that a 555 timer IC can be used to generate tones. This circuit was designed by engineers using the 555 timer IC to generate tones that increase and decrease in frequency or pitch so you can imitate a police siren. On page 21, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot in a police car hurrying down the road. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, "Here is an electronic police siren circuit using 6 resistors, a push-button switch, a 555 timer IC, an NPN transistor, 2 capacitors, and a speaker." Please draw a circle around the schematic symbol of the speaker on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make an electronic police siren circuit? 2. That this electronic police siren circuit uses a 555 timer IC to generate audio tones that vary in pitch up and down, controlled by a push-button switch. And 3. How to spell and pronounce electronic police siren circuit. To complete this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 21. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.